a sad face, not on my way, making everything too hard.
It is the New York Fashion Week premiere of Jasmine Chooks, and she is on her way to Icons. I'm here with Leah Darcy, celebrity makeup artist and slayer of the international beauty scene. Girl, can you even deal? Watch the developments that go down here. I mean, it's already naturally beautiful, but this one, down.
I'm going to the drugstore. You guys need anything?
Oh, those lashes. Did you get those lashes?
The 3 lashes. They come in 3s.
You know they're discontinuing these?
No.
They did.
The palettes? Yes.
Yeah.
What?
Yes. You should go online right now.
I need to go order like
no, but they're
500.
reformulating. They're reformulating.
No, but you need to... Can I help you?
I'm going to order like...
Who are they by?
MAC. These like palettes are the best palettes.
Not for this part. Not for the crease.
I'm watching.
That'd be like too much for the crease.
You have to keep an eye on Leah.
Don't. What?
I'm kidding. I like that.
Me too.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so should
And
we
then how
add
do
to the
we-
crease?
how
Should
do
we
we-
smudge with this? Okay.
It's literally an experiment.
So that's
It's pretty too because then the color with the...
Oh yeah. And we can use that cream.
Nice. Oh, back.
So on tonight's episode of Snatchery, we have Lais
She came back
Robert,
to life.
direct from Burning Man, Germany, and Snatchery. Have a good
Here
evening.
we are.
What are we gonna call this look?
I don't know, but it's so pretty already.
I don't know, but
Has
it's
to
pretty.
be good.
Let's just call it It's Pretty.
It's pretty.
Oh yeah, get in there.
Get in there. You see that so much?
A clip of Marty's pee. Oh my god. You can hear it in the background.
Alrighty, so tell me what you want to do today, ma'am.
So I'm thinking we shave my head.
Okay, so career change.
It'd be nice with like a liner.
That's what I was thinking.
Like did you see Adriana's liner last night?
Yeah.
That was cute. I
really
actually-
Y'all, we only have 20 minutes.
The best lashes. If
Really?
you have no eyelashes. Because they're bundled in 3s, so it makes your lashes look a bit thicker.
Not really.
Really? You want some?
Yeah, let me try a couple. You actually should do that at Friday.
Oh my
You
gosh,
are
we should
welcome.
put lashes on you.
Yeah, I'll sit for that.
I was like,
Or should I come down?
you can come down and hang out
Come
with us.
hang out.
She's done?
Yeah.
You hear me say it's up on my way, explain it, try to unsay all the things that break your heart. Yeah. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know it's getting hurt, it's getting dark. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know.
I really hope it stops raining. It did?
Well, it starts back at 11.
Oh, great. Like, if you were, like, burning me, I'm like, and then people want to watch the video.
Why do we always gotta wait to the break?
I think I want to go down. Like, more stuck, or do you like it falling? I like it
I
falling.
like it falling. I think the softness around the face is gonna be nice. I think
Yeah.
if you do it stuck, it's gonna look too old woman.
Yeah.
Do you know what I
yeah,
mean?
Yeah,
Like
Falling.
Yeah.
I'm falling! Push it. No, push it. I don't think it. I don't think so.
What in the world? Do you want more?
I like that.
This one?
Let me see. They're so tiny.
They are tiny.
Guys, we did it. We did it.
I didn't think you could do it.
We did it. We always do it.
Excited for the evening?
I'm so excited.
Okay, so where are you going tonight? What's the deal with this event, and like how important is this event for
I have a
fashion?
nose itch.
Okay, well get it out, honey. Get it out.
So this event kind of like kicks off Fashion Week, you know? It's Harper's Bazaar. It's really fun. Everyone's there.
It's the hottest ticket.
It's the hottest
It's the
ticket in
hottest ticket.
town. You know, you want to
I
be
think
there.
this is my second or third time with you.
Ever?
No, I mean in the general like icons.
Yeah.
Maybe
think
3.
so.
I think this is
Maybe 10.
Lucky 3. Oh,
don't know.
she's now aging herself. We're going for 10. Okay, she wasn't even born then. You guys need to log in, subscribe, and like because she's ready for you.
I need to put my dress on.
Okay, bye, go.
It touched the floor before. So now
I
I'm
don't
thinking,
mind it, though.
no, it makes it looks my proportions look weird. So I think if I pin it like this
You have
looks
to.
much
Yeah.
nicer.
Yeah.
Like an underwear that you can like attach it to, or a spank situation.
It's hard because it has to be pulled up so
High.
perfectly. It's funny because when I took it out of the bag too, I was like, this looks weird. And you need it to stay up here. Do we have another safety pin?
Yeah, she's holding it. Send a picture of her pinning her dress together.
It's still falling. Let's see if we can get that to. Oh no, it doesn't look good. It's just so much fabric.
It's a lot of fabric.
You can't turn to the side. And if you do that side, then you have to you need to push that arm down. You've done this shit before. You're gonna work it out.
That's pretty cinched, yeah. There's nothing you can do about that, you know? That's as cinched as.
Just, you know what? Wait a second. I am stepping on mine. We have to like pull this and then do like that. From the bag that I saw.
The string.
Yes.
Oh, she's like, let's take this string.
Let me see.
Look at him.
Come on.
Don't
Look at no,
Let me
don't
see.
lie.
You
So
look
she has another one
Let-
she can change.
let
But
me
I
see.
think it looks
I have
good.
another option.
She's doing a flip-flop campaign. On tonight's episode of Struggles.
I forgot my shoes.
What's my shirt?
I'm like Cinderella before she locked the shoes. I just I showed up with none.
It's intentional.
It looks obsessional.
Uh-huh.
It does.
Yeah.
It looks like you meant for this to happen. I think we just have to keep an eye on this. Like, putting
Next
out.
career.
Yeah,
She's coming for them.
exactly. She is.
Next career. She's like, I'm
My sister.
she's moving to Malibu and she just you see her doing full shows. Yeah, wait, side hustle's real?
Right. The driver's number is in there if you need it.
Okay.
You want me to hold it? Yeah.
You'll have to add that to your kit.
Yeah.
Obsessed with it.
Right.
Leave it on the floor?
Yeah, you need that ID, honey. Shake the dice is still the right.
I can't move too much. I'm gonna bust open.
Last spread.
Yeah. Thank you guys. I think I'm ready. I don't know. Ah, the wind! Is that my car? Yeah. Okay.
I feel you tripping over sideways, getting out of my way, making everything too